Welcome to this comprehensive guide on benchmarking. Benchmarking is the practice of comparing your business performance against established standards or best practices from other organizations. Think of it as measuring how well you're doing compared to industry leaders. It's like checking your speed against the fastest runner to see if you need to improve. By understanding where you stand, you can identify what's working well and what areas need improvement. There are four main types of benchmarking. First, internal benchmarking compares performance between different departments within your own organization. Second, competitive benchmarking measures your performance directly against your competitors in the same industry. Third, functional benchmarking looks at similar processes in different industries to find best practices. Fourth, strategic benchmarking examines the overall strategies and business models of successful companies. Each type serves a different purpose and provides unique insights for improvement. There are three main approaches to conducting benchmarking. Performance benchmarking focuses on comparing key metrics and numbers like cost, time, and quality. Process benchmarking analyzes how specific operations are conducted to find efficiency improvements. Practice benchmarking examines the actual methods and procedures that best-in-class organizations use to achieve their success. Together, these three approaches give you a complete picture of where improvements can be made. The benchmarking process has four essential steps. First comes planning, where you define what you want to benchmark and select companies to compare against. Second is data collection, where you gather information about your own performance and your benchmarking partners. Third is analysis, where you compare the data and identify performance gaps. Fourth is implementation, where you execute action plans based on what you learned. This structured approach ensures systematic improvement. To ensure successful benchmarking, follow these best practices. Start early, before problems become critical. Set clear, measurable goals for what you want to achieve. Use valid and reliable data to make accurate comparisons. Monitor progress continuously and adjust your strategies as needed. Engage stakeholders and teams throughout the process to ensure buy-in. Finally, recalibrate your benchmarks regularly as market conditions and your organization change. These practices maximize the effectiveness of your benchmarking efforts. When benchmarking, focus on these four key metrics. Response time measures how quickly you deliver services or resolve issues compared to others. Satisfaction tracks customer or stakeholder satisfaction levels to understand quality. Cost efficiency compares your operational costs per unit with competitors to find savings opportunities. Quality rate examines your first contact resolution rate and defect rates. Tracking these metrics gives you concrete data to measure improvement and track progress over time. Let's look at a real-world example of competitive comparison. Imagine your organization has a response time of 3.2 seconds, while the industry leader achieves 1.8 seconds. Your customer satisfaction is 85%, while they achieve 94%. Your cost per unit is $45, while theirs is $32. This comparison clearly shows where you're falling behind and what targets you should aim for to become more competitive. While benchmarking is valuable, it comes with challenges. Data access is difficult because competitors don't always share proprietary information. Fair comparison is challenging due to different industry standards and organizational structures. Benchmarking is time-intensive, requiring significant resources and ongoing attention. Scope creep can occur when benchmarking efforts expand beyond the original objectives. Being aware of these challenges helps you plan accordingly and allocate appropriate resources for successful benchmarking. Benchmarking offers 6 key benefits. Performance insight helps you understand your current position relative to industry standards. It drives innovation by helping you identify and implement best practices from leaders. It enables you to set realistic goals based on proven benchmarks. It provides a competitive edge by showing you where to outperform competitors. It supports continuous growth through systematic improvement over time. Finally, it reduces risk by helping you learn from others' experiences and avoid their mistakes. These benefits make benchmarking essential for business success.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.